In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error codes 211 step by step. If you've tried launching a game on Steam and suddenly see error code 211 appear, it usually means something went wrong with Steam processes, cached data, or the game files themselves. The good news is that this issue is usually very easy to fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through several quick solutions that work for most users. Make sure you follow each step carefully because even a small background process can sometimes cause this error. And if this video helps you fix the problem, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes and simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get started with the first fix. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Sometimes Steam continues running in the background even after you close the window, and those leftover processes can cause error code 211 when launching a game. To fully close Steam, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Steam. This could be Steam.exe, Steam Client Web Helper, or any game process that is still running. Select each Steam-related process and click End Task. The goal here is to make sure Steam is fully closed with no background processes left running. Once everything related to Steam has been ended, you can move on to the next step. Next, we're going to verify the integrity of your game files. Corrupted or missing files are another common reason for Steam error code 211. Open Steam again and go to your Steam library. In your library, find the game that is giving you the error. Right-click on the game and click on Properties. Inside the Properties window, go to the Local File section. Here you'll see an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click this button and Steam will begin scanning your installed files and automatically replace any that are missing or damaged. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just let it finish completely before moving on. The next fix is clearing your Steam download cache. Over time, Steam stores temporary data that can sometimes cause connection or launching errors. To clear the cache, open Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner of the client. Then click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Downloads. In this section, you'll see a button labeled Clear Download Cache. Click it and Steam will ask you to confirm. After confirming, Steam will restart and you may need to sign back into your account. This step refreshes Steam's cached data and often resolves launch-related errors. After completing these steps, restart Steam and try launching the game again. In most cases, Steam error code 211 will now be fixed. If the problem was caused by a stuck process, corrupted files, or cached data, these steps should resolve it quickly. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Steam fixes, gaming tutorials, and quick software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.